Max,
Yes, Dad.
wake up. You need to go to a football match.
Okay, Dad. But a question. Could I be a pro footballer?
If you practice, you can make your dreams. And now, come on, we have to go to a football match. Penalty! It's a penalty! Penalty! Yes! I saved it!
No.
Action.
Oh, the penalty as well. We could have tied. What? Who is that?
I'm Cristiano Ronaldo.
Really? Is that you?
Yeah, it's just me. I sure you missing the penalty. Don't worry, Max. Everybody misses a penalty. I missed my penalty against the Austria in the World Cup. And look, I'm here. Just follow your dreams, Max. Like me. And then you will be... Woo! Come on, Max. Follow your dreams. Go. So the result is 4-4, and it seems like Max is going into the box with the ball, and the defender is right behind him. And oh, that's a clear foul. It's a penalty for Max. Good him, is it? Why? Why, referee? And it's a goal.
Yes,
for Max.
yes, a goal, a goal, goal, goal.
Max.
Is that you again, Ronaldo?
Yeah, Sushi, you can do your dreams possible. Just follow my settings and you will be good. And I have to go. Shoot!